Hey guys, welcome back to Media Boss. Today we are going to explore more about desert animals.
Today, me and my friends are going to say the adaptation of camel, snake, kangaroo rat, iguana, scorpion, ostrich, and fennec fox.
Okay, let's start.
Adaptation in camels adaptations are special characteristics that an organism is born with and which enable it to survive in its natural habitat. Adaptations are not developed in the course of an organism's life. The following adaptations show that the camel is specially suited to live in the desert. A camel can live without drinking water for a week or more. They can drink up to 46 liters of water at one time. Camels have wide feet and thick lips for walking on sand easily and eating thorny leaves, respectively. A camel has a hump where they store their fat for their energy. They have an extremely long, large intestine that absorbs every last drop of water from the food they eat. Camels have long eyelashes so that sand doesn't enter the camel's eye. These are the adaptations of a camel. Thank you.
Hello, I am Kunal from Media Boss. Today I am going to talk about the adaptations of desert snakes. Its color is usually brown or related to brown. It blends with the surroundings, also called camouflage. This makes it easier for them to hunt for food. They don't have limbs, they can slither around everywhere. The sand can't pull them in. The snake's body has been adapted to very less water, and some snakes don't even drink water, so it's not a big problem for them to live in deserts. Slithering down slopes make them fast and safe from being a prey. They can even dig and rest in safely. Mostly they like to come out at night time than in day, but still sometimes they come out in day also. Coming out in night times makes it easier for them to hunt because all animals will be sleeping that time. These are the most important adaptations of a desert snake you must know. Thank you.
Today I'm going to be speaking about the adaptations of scorpions. They may be tiny, but scorpions are as tough as they come. They live and survive in the harshest environments on planet Earth. They reside in hot, dry areas, including deserts, and are nocturnal because of their hot and dry conditions. They sleep during the hot days and are awake at night. Instead of sunbathing or baking in the sun, they burrow down into sand in loose dirt or hide under rocks, logs, or any other cool spot in or near a house while sleeping. This adaptation also helps them keep safe from predators like lizards, birds, owls, and tarantulas that they want them for lunch while they snooze. Another of the scorpion's survival adaptations make its opposite of cute and cuddly. Scorpions have an exoskeleton, which is hard external covering on their body that provides protection. This armor protects them from injury and getting crushed and makes it difficult for predators to munch down on them. But if anything is threatening the scorpion, its long tail that curves over its back has a venomous stinger on it, and they will use that stinger aggressively to defend them.
Hi, I am Yashas. I am going to talk about fennec fox. Fox. Fennec fox have many desert adaptations, including fur-covered feet, heat-radiating ears, and pale furs that offers excellent camouflage in the sand. Panting helps regulate their temperature at times of extreme heat. Their breathing rate can climb from 23 to 690 breaths per minute. The fennec fox have seems to be the only carnivore living in the Sahara Desert able to survive without free water. Fennec foxes also have thick fur on the soles of their feet which insulate against the hot sand of the desert. Extra fur on the soles of their feet also affords them excellent traction in the loose sand. Their bat-like ears radiate body heat and help keep the foxes cool. They also have long, thick, soft fur coats with a woolly undercoat that insulates them during cold nights and protects them from the hot sun during the day. Like most desert dwellers, the fennec fox has the ability to go for long periods without water. These are the adaptations of the fennec fox. Thank you.
Hi, Sam Janvi here to speak about the adaptations of ostrich. Ostrich feet are large and flat, so they adapted to ensure walking within the desert very easily and swiftly. When they are on the run, the high heel provides them the additional push. Adaptations that make ostriches fast on land but unable to fly include long legs with strong muscles, thick bones, and powerful two-toed feet. The small wings of the ostrich are not made for flying but help keep the big bird warm and provide balance as it runs. Adaptations of ostrich entail thick eyelashes to protect them from sandstorms that are encountered with living in these regions. Meaning, it does not stay in one place for very long. They have a layer of soft feathers to provide a downy coat for if the temperature becomes cold. So these are the adaptations of ostrich. Thank you.
Today I'm going to speak about iguanas. Iguanas have strong jaws and razor-sharp teeth and sharp tails. Iguanas change color to regulate body temperature. They are the darkest in morning to absorb more heat from sun. Iguanas are able to swim long distances. Iguanas can jump up to 40 feet, 12 meters onto the ground. If temperatures climb too high, they retreat into shade or underground burrows to.
Hello everyone, I am Rishi. Today I am going to speak about kangaroo rats adaptation. Kangaroo rats, mostly rodents, are native to arid areas of western North America. The common name derives from their bipedal form. They hop in a manner similar to the larger kangaroo, but develop this mode of locomotion independently, like several other grades of rodents. They can survive without drinking any water, getting needed moisture from their seed diet. They have excellent hearing and can even detect the silent sound of an owl approaching. Their large back legs enable them to jump up to 9 feet in one jump in order to escape predators. These are the adaptations of kangaroo rats. Thank you.
So, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the program and we'll meet next time with more fun and masti. Thank you.